Hello friends, running kimono. So we have a midweek haul. Very cheap bronze shaver, cheap Olay bar soap for $1, free Love's diapers at Walgreens, and more cheapies and freebies. And then if you are a Meyer shopper in the Midwest, we have 49-cent Downy, that big mama. Okay, so in case you missed it, I think it was Monday I posted this video. There's a clearance event running at the Dollar General from the 16th right till the 22nd. A week long. We have freebies, we have cheapies with digital coupons, very easy to follow. I recommend you watch this video. I'll link it at the very end. Especially if you're just like, I'm a pharmacy shopper and that's it. Time to kind of get on the Dollar General train. I think it's just smart to shop at more than one store. I will link this video at the end. Lots of great deals in this clearance event. Okay, so we're back at Walgreens, and in the clearance section at one store that I visited this week, I saw this pack of diapers. It was not tagged. There was nothing on it. But see that heart that says 334 count? I knew that was that old packaging. And the month previous, it was on clearance, like 90% off. So I grabbed the bag, brought it to the front, and asked for a price check. And the cashier's like, oh, this bag of diapers is $1. And I'm like, what? What? So I knew that by scanning it, we had this store coupon, which is a 2 off of 2. It made it completely free, and I found 4 bags, so I picked up all 4 bags. And I would really, really recommend, if you happen to find diapers that look like packaging that you remember that were on clearance, ask for a price check. Ask for a price check and load whatever coupons you may have. They might come off, they might not. Even for $1, it's a total stock up price for a product that's 10. So I just did this, and thankfully it worked out. But oh my gosh, I was just shocked to find it. So I think a lot of stores restocking, or maybe a shipment that came in and they had 4 bags of the old stuff and it's still on clearance. Another clearance item that was 90% off, which was an odd price because Easter was only $80. It's these Hello Kitty Make It Mini foods. It's the Hello Kitty Miniverse food. So it's like little pancakes and cutesy little foods. So there's these little balls. I think they'll be perfect for stockings or for Easter. Just very adorable too. The Hello Kitty brand. So the original price for these, I believe, was $9.99, and they were also on clearance for $1. And I brought it to the front, and I'm like, hey, can I ask for a price check? And the guy's like, $1. And I was like, oh my gosh. So I got 13 of them. I didn't clear the store, but I did get quite a few. Okay, yet another item found, but this one was actually tagged, are these Always Discreet. It's like an underwear that you can wear for size 2 to 14. So we have a 3 off of 1 digital coupon. These were both like $2 and some change. So that coupon did come off, and it was a manufacturer, so it came off at the balance of the receipt. So it was basically, after the coupon, $1.78 for the 2 bags, which is a very good stock up price considering that 1 bag was $23.49 original price point. So that is fantastic. Okay, so now we have a deal if you might have received a $10 only for you coupon. These Braun razors are $24.99, $8 reward when you purchase one. And a lot of us received this, which is a $10 off of 1. And as it says only for you, that means that only certain accounts received it. But if you buy the same stuff as I on a weekly basis, you probably have this coupon. So just running through the math really quickly, and you must do this in store as it's involving a register reward. You'll pick up one of these for $24.99. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $14.99. Get back an $8 register reward, making the final price point $6.99. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster to pay down the balance. Okay, now if you want to get the ladies, it's called a gentle trimmer. Looks really interesting product. It's $29.99, so the same deal, subtracting that $10 digital, it would be $11.99 after the $8 register reward. Now, just to jog through this deal one last time, I had this booster, which is a 5-back when you spend 15. And what I did for this deal was I grabbed 3 of the Olay bar soaps, and they're on a promotion. To buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. with the Walgreens cash too when you buy $15 worth, and IBOTTA also has a rebate of $6 back. It was just a really, really good deal this week. I think it's like $1 per 6-pack. And here is your 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you're going to load. What a great coupon this is. And for the deal, we also have this on IBOTTA. Also, scan all of the soaps that you're going to buy to ensure that you're grabbing the right ones. And you can do this a limit of up to 3 times, which is $6 back with the IBOTTA app. So a very basic in-store deal. Grabbing 3 of these bar soaps for $24. They're $8 each. Get the cashier to scan the 5 back when you spend $15 booster. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $19 with your debit card and get back $6 from IBOTTA. You'll photograph your receipt, $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, and then a $5 register reward, making it $3 for the 3 or $1 per 6-pack of bar soap. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using a booster of spend 15 to earn back 5. And I made a video yesterday about body wash and all that other stuff. I'll link it at the end if you want to try some other deals using Walgreens cash if you do not have the 5 back when you spend 15 booster. I will also link that at the very end. Last store that we have is Meyer. It's a grocery store in the Midwest, Midwest only, no sister store. If you have it, you have it. If you don't, you don't. On a regular shelf, not tagged, is this Downy Soft Clean Breeze, 190 count, and it's on clearance for $3.49. Some markets it might be $6.99. So I will show you the workaround to figure out how much it costs here in a second. Here is the UPC. Unfortunately, my shop and scan, you can't scan UPCs from the comforts of your home. You have to be like within a mile of the store. It's really goofy. But this is the UPC if you want to try and find the exact one that I found in the store. So anyhow, as stated, guys, there is a $3 digital that's attaching to this product. And if your market has it on clearance for $3.49, with this digital coupon, it's going to be 49 cents for a product that's just under $14. I think it's like $13.99 retail. So as you can see, I used the shop and scan. It's on clearance for $3.49 in my region. So it's 49 cents after that. And if you wanted to get a $50 basket, this would be part of it. But I just really wanted the cheap Downy. So that's all I got for this. So when you open up the app and you can open up shop and scan, in the store you can actually scan, is the coupon attaching and how much is it for? And if it rings up 49 cents, that's a no-brainer. Even if you don't like fabric softener, I'm pretty sure you can find somebody who would absolutely love to have this. What a great deal. Another complete freebie over at Meyer is this Zantac 360 25 tabs in the flavor Cool Mint. It was on clearance at my store for $1.89, and this is also maximum strength. There is no digital coupon for this, but again, if you open up the shop and scan, boom, $1.89. So that's some significant clearance right there. IBOTTA has $2 back with a limit of up to 3, making up to 3 of them completely for free at Meyer. So I would definitely figure out how to use your shop and scan so you can scan barcodes, especially in that clearance section. Is there possible IBOTTA or fetch freebies? Just make it happen. The final deal I have is to load this coupon, which is the 2 off of 2 off of the Ben & Jerry's, whichever ice cream you want to have. There's so many different flavors. I'm just going to say get Cherry Garcia, but whatever ones you want. So they are $8 for 2. With that coupon, it'll be $6 for the 2. I hate how they have these tags marked up, because I always think that 6 off of 2 is the sales price, and after the coupon it would be 4 off of 2, but that is wrong. It's 8 off of 2. They should make that 8 a little bit more predominant. Anywho, guys, you'd pay $6. And then out of the Catalina machine, you're going to get this guy, which is a $2 off your next shopping trip. So it makes it $4 for the 2 pints of ice cream, or $2 each. If you consider that the price point is just under $5 for one, It's a very good deal to stock up for $2. My husband is addicted to Cherry Garcia, so I like to keep him happy with my little couponing business stuff. So I definitely will be doing this deal on his card and mine as the week marches on. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Dollar General stuff linked right here. Please watch. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.